We can preview the quiz here. You can select mobile to see how it appears on a mobile device. And let's try this. This was the incorrect option, so this brings me to the support question, whereby I've got to watch the video and make notes, and then try the question again. I'm going to select the correct response this time, and then I'm going to go to this stretch question and put in my long answer response there. The feedback comes up for the learner after you select submit, and at this point I should see my feedback for each question. So this is automatic marking. As you can see, this was the correct answer, but I had the question wrong. So the feedback is, I hope that watching the video and making notes help to develop your understanding. This question I had correct the second time trying. And then this question is the question that I would need to mark manually. If you click into responses, you can see that there's been one response made. You have quite rich formative assessment data then on each of your learners. If you click into review answers, it will let you see each learner that's responded, the time that it took to complete, and this is where you give feedback. So if you have gone on a point scoring system, this is where you grade, but I'm interested in giving feedback only, so I would select the little speech bubble there and I would enter my feedback like so. This then you can post back to the learner. Select post scores, select the learner and post scores again. And as you can see, posting scores will give respondents access to their feedback and the results of the quiz. They can view their results by using the same link that they've used to launch the quiz. So let's take a look at that option of sharing the quiz. Select and share will give you the option of copying a link that can be sent to your learner. You also have the option to download a QR code, to embed or send via email. As I suggested earlier, you can work with others to collaborate on the creation of forms and quizzes. This is the link that you can send to a colleague to collaborate with, and this is the link if you just want to share a template that you've created with them. Options at the top there, anybody with a link, only people within the organisation that has access to the Office 365. So those are the sharing options. I'm also going to settings. So the option there to give instantaneous feedback or not by selecting like so. Again, who can respond to your quiz is controlled in these options, and options for responses are here. So if you wanted to receive an email notification when responses were made, you would select that option. Obviously, if you were using this as formative assessment, you will want the name of your learners recorded. I would only use that within the forms option to gain anonymous feedback. I hope you found this useful and enjoy creating quizzes within Office 365 Forms and using the branching feature.